Hello, my name is Tom Triolo. I'm a math teacher at Dysart High School in El Mirage, Arizona. A little bit about our school. We're a 9 through 12 Title I school. About 1,800 students. I am going to pilot the IM Algebra 2 curriculum for the remainder of the semester in 3 classes. One is a core class and the other 2 are honors classes. I'm going to be recording screencasts of all my new lessons and posting it onto this YouTube channel. I'm going to stick mostly with my 3rd class because by that time it'll be relatively polished, I hope. A couple things before we start. I'm utilizing the GeoGebra platform because it has all the tasks preloaded. And in addition, there's a dashboard so I can see what the students have accomplished every day. There are some technical glitches, but overall it worked pretty well for my first 2 classes. I'm going to try my 3rd class in about 30 minutes. And I have 3 separate classes launched in the GeoGebra curriculum. Feel free to contact me or follow the GeoGebra instructions. There are some glitches in terms of when the kids sign up for GeoGebra. We're a Google Enterprise school, so I had them signing up with the Google accounts. It was a little glitchy, but once we got those accounts created, it was relatively easy for the kids to access the classes. So let's start. Let me know when you have questions, and I might post some questions out to you if I need some help with stuff. Enjoy.